My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Charity. To be more correct, this is not really a ransomware because it does not encrypt files. However, it imitates to be the ransomware. So it locks your screen and it tells you to pay the ransom. The ransom is 30,000 US dollars, which is a tremendous amount of money. Well, you should not pay the ransom because on one hand your files are not encrypted. To get out of this locked screen, you need to choose Control Alt Delete hotkey on your Windows computer. To open the task manager, and then you need to end the malicious process. You'll see it here. It's an icon in the form of a lock. So right click on it and choose the option to end task. So let's check it. Well, the files are not encrypted, which is good. However, the fact that this Charity imitation of ransomware entered your computer means that your computer is indeed vulnerable before malware or possible ransomware attacks. So I recommend you to scan your system with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the program, and then start carefully researching this system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on the Start Scan button. The application would first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their location. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner at any time.